when the studio engineer decides to be the weapon fashioned against you.
I will sing and shout for joy. If I was a stallion, I will use my force and power. If I was a shining star, I will illuminate everywhere. Sun up and coming up, I will make it. If I control the times, I will go back to the Garden of Eden. I will give you the worship that only you deserve. I will look for a beautiful day. God bless you. Come on. And I'll go somewhere. Everybody say bye. Kábíyèsí Olúwa. This way. I have come to give you to honor. Oh yeah. Everybody say bye. Come on. Kábíyèsí Olúwa. I have come to give you to honor.